हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल pythonji। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट सौम्या और आज की वीडियो में हम क्रिएट करने जा रहे हैं मर्सिडीज का लोगो। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट। गो टू सर्च बार, search for ideally. As you can see, ideally Python 3.11 64-bit. Open this app. Go to File, click on File, select New File or press Ctrl N. Save this untitled file. Give a name to your file and save it. Type your code here, which is first of all you have to import turtle, then write this code. This is your last code, turtle.done, parenthesis close. Then after writing this code, you have to go to file. We have already saved it, so go to run, press run module or press F5. Source must be saved. OK to save. Press OK. Then Python turtle graphics is open. So you can see this is logo of Mercedes. So that's it for this video. We will see next topic in next lecture. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow for more.